135% in 6 months, 268% year to date.
It is. And when you look at the backlog of people who want this product, it's unbelievable. My sister, actually, I got a Peloton more recently, a treadmill. And my sister was like, Courtney, I love this thing so much. I want one too. She went on to try to buy one. She can't even get one until December. That is not a stay-at-home product. They might have, it might have catalyzed kind of their growth, and it created a tremendous amount of growth. But this is a product that is going to be here whether you're going to the gym or not. This is a product that is going to be in the homes of people as we move forward. You're right. Are you going to see maybe the...
Okay, so you get the idea. So if you don't know, Courtney Gibson is one of my favorite investor analyst. She has been managing billions of dollars at Look Capital, and she's early investor into Lululemon and also Square Capital and also Peloton when Peloton was trading at $10. So I want to show one interesting news today. ARK suddenly started buying Peloton Interactive. Peloton stock and ARK fund today 12/7 they bought $15 million worth of stock. I'm not really promoting Peloton. I have a small investment in Peloton which went up by 50% in last 3-4 months, but it is not doing anything much. So I was really thinking closing the position since it's not going anywhere and I can use that money in SPACs to double money in month or two. So I came across multiple news about Peloton. I want to show one thing. So if you look at recent Peloton news, how Peloton could beat Nike and Lululemon at apparel. There is a reason why Cathy Wood and ARK will invest in Peloton. They just started investing and they won't invest for a day or two. They'll keep investing for weeks and months. So if you look at the news, Peloton is expanding big time. So I don't know about Nike. Certainly they can take down Lululemon. So if you look at Lululemon news, recently Lululemon to buy Mirror, a fitness startup, for $500 million. So they invested into Mirror recently, a year back, and then they bought the whole company for $500 million. Desperately, they're trying to compete with Peloton in fitness so that they don't lose for their apparel. Lululemon is completely apparel market, fitness apparel market especially. So if Peloton comes and sells very aggressively, people it'll be like a it will be like a fitness of Apple. So people buy Peloton shoes, Peloton apparel, and Peloton bikes and Peloton treadmills, everything. So I think this is what this explosion in both apparel and shoe market, the Peloton entering, and also if you look at recent Peloton revenue, so they are profitable. So the revenue last quarter was $600 million versus 580 expected. So they went to a $90 million profit, and part of this increase stemmed from a spike in apparel business. It said at a time when many clothing companies are struggling, but workout apparel is flying off. So these apparel sales have been growing like crazy Peloton. So I believe they beat quarter by quarter, and there is high potential that the stock might go another like 50 or 100% in next year. So I'm not trying to market Peloton at all. I have very small investment, but at the same time, people who own Peloton stock, who invest into Peloton, I think this is a really good news. Cathy Woods and ARK investing. So this is what I came across today. I just want to give an overview of what's happening with Peloton and why ARK investing. Thank you.